organizing my drawers.
That's right. So Adelina's here today, and we were trying to find a pair of shorts and we couldn't find them. So we said, let's do some organizing. So we have the timer set for 11 minutes because it got bumped from the 10. So we'll start our timer, and we have our FlyLady giveaway bag there. So we're gonna go through your drawer with your main clothes in it from your dresser and see what we want to keep and what we want to share with a cousin, okay?
Yep.
All right, so I want you to look here. Scooch back just a little bit. There we go. All right, so let's start at this end and we'll work our way down. So this little dress, do you like that one, or you want to share that with somebody?
Share that with Celia.
Share that with Celia,
Wait,
okay.
that has so...
And those are the shorts we were looking for. Look at that. Okay, so we don't want to keep this shirt anymore? Okay.
But we still want to keep
Those
these.
are the shorts. Do you want me to set them up here so we can get dressed in just a little bit? Okay.
Yeah, I'm just going to keep these pants on.
That's fine. So we'll put those in there. Let's do the next one. What about this one? That's your favorite one. Do you want to keep that one? Or are you kind of tired of wearing it?
No, I really like the bow, but I don't like this part anymore.
Okay. Well,
So can
what do
we...
you think? You want to keep it, or?
Well, what I want to do is cut the bow, this little flower.
I don't think we're going to do that because that's really sewn on there well, and that's kind of part of the whole outfit. So we can keep it for a little while and you can think about it and see if you want to wear it a few more times. Or if you think you're done and you're tired of wearing it, then we can just share it with somebody else.
I don't like the dress, but I like the flower.
Well, I understand that, honey, but this is all part of the dress and it goes together, okay? So why don't we just keep it a little longer, and then if you want to wear it a few more times, you can.
Oh, I want to keep it
That's-
forever.
Well, we can keep it for as long as it'll fit. How about that? All right. Okay, next one. What about this little dress? Do you like, oh, and there goes the pair of orange pants that go with it. Do you want to keep this one with the orange pants?
I don't think these came with it.
Well, they didn't, but they would match it. What do you think?
No.
No?
Too
Don't like it?
long.
Too long, okay.
Too many flowers.
Too many flowers, okay. So the orange pants, do we need to keep those? Or no?
Here, I think these were the ones that came with it.
Oh, so that would be a better outfit?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to put that together as one of your outfits to wear this summer?
Yeah.
All right. Put that in
Oh,
there.
this winter.
Or this winter, if it's still something you want to wear this winter. Okay, these black pants,
And definitely
these
this.
are a 3T. Are these still something that fit you?
Probably not.
Okay. I think they're getting a little short if I remember right. So are we okay to share those with someone else?
Let's do it for Celia.
Okay.
And
then,
here's my favorite dress that I think I'm going to wear for Christmas.
okay, so we definitely want to keep that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it has gold, which I love.
I know.
Except black I do not like.
Black isn't your favorite, but golden you love.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Even
These are,
white and red.
yeah, these are just two of your blue shirts from school. Do you want to keep those, or actually this is a pair of pants. So we have blue pants, which are probably fine to wear for the summer. Do you want to keep this blue t-shirt? Do you like these?
That
Just
can
as-
go with that.
Yeah? You want to wear all blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Someday.
Okay, so we're keeping those.
Do
And
we
they
have
both fit
blue
you.
socks down?
I don't think we have this shade of blue, this dark navy. All right, what's next in your drawer? Ooh, your golden sweater. Do you want to keep that? I know, that's your favorite, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, and you love this Halloween outfit. You want
Yes.
to keep that again?
I'm going to keep it until I even grow out of it.
Till you grow out of it, well then you wouldn't be able to wear it. It would just be taking up room in your drawer. Okay, what's next? How about this little...
No, I mean like when I grow out of it, I'll give it away.
Oh, I see. Okay. What about this butterfly shirt? Do you want to keep that?
No.
Not your
I don't-
favorite?
No.
Okay.
I know I like butterflies, but I just don't like it.
Okay, that's all right. And then how about this little shirt with a cactus?
I think I'll wear that when we go out in the desert
When
one
we
time.
go in the desert one time? Well,
Yeah.
we don't have any immediate plans to go to the desert, but I
Oh,
guess you
no,
never
I
know.
just mean in case we actually...
In case we ever do that.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, and this is your butterfly shirt. It's inside out, but I know you usually like this one. Is this a keeper?
Yep.
Okay. Do you see the pants that go with it?
I think they're dirty. Yeah, I love
They're
them.
dirty? Okay. Well, this is her favorite purple
I also
butterfly
love
shirt.
this one.
And you love that one,
I
yeah.
picked up.
Oh, a little pair of leg warmers from your dance stuff, huh?
Let me put one on.
Okay. Whoa, excuse me. Okay, so we're
Mom,
keeping
look what I'm
that.
doing.
You're
Can
putting
I-
arm warmers on?
Yeah.
Oh,
You
okay.
know what would be really cool? If we changed them out, cut them like right here,
Uh-huh.
and then what we did was like make a little hole right here for my phone.
Oh, and they could be like a mitt where your fingers would be covered, your hand would be covered, but your fingers and your thumb would have a spot to come out.
Yeah.
That's an idea. Okay, look, we're almost done. Ooh, what about this dress? This was your favorite for a long time last year. Is that a keeper?
No,
No.
I don't like it anymore.
Okay.
It's always really cold when I first put it on.
Oh,
It
true.
never gets warm.
Well, this summer it'll probably get warm, but that's all right. We've worn it a lot. And how about these kitty cat pants? These are a 3T, so I think they might be getting a little bit too short for you. Are you wanting to keep them or not?
Nah.
Nah. These kitty cat pants?
Wait, I like them, so yes.
I thought you did. Okay. I know they're getting a little short, but I think you can still wear them through the summer for some capris. Okay, here's a pair of pants, black pants. These are just good little leggings to wear with any
Okay,
of your
Mom,
shirts.
Can we make this into like a ham thing?
The hand warmer things.
Yeah,
Maybe.
because other children has been wearing them.
Other children have been wearing hand warmers?
Yeah,
Oh.
dance class.
Oh, a dance class. Well, maybe we could do that as a project this summer, but not right this second because we're going to finish up your drawer.
No,
We're
I meant
almost
like
done.
after this.
After this, maybe, look, we only have 4 minutes left, so let's see if we can finish up. These blue little pants, these are 3T. Keep
Yes.
or no? Yeah? Yeah, keep?
Yeah, but
Actually,
I think.
you know what? They have holes in the knees.
Yeah, but that's what I was just gonna say to sew them.
Yeah, I think actually we could cut them off and make those shorts. How about that? No? You want me to sew them and fix the knee?
Yeah.
Well,
No, they're not small hole
Yeah?
right there.
I'll have to see if I can do that. Maybe we can use some of that black fabric to do that. What
Yeah.
about these polka dotted shorts?
Yes, ma'am, because I
These-
think I
these-
might want to.
You could wear with your shirt if you wanted to.
Well, I want to do it with heel.
With these? Okay, so let's put it together and then we'll have that.
I
We'll
definitely
have-
want.
so this is how
love
we
to
fold
keep these.
outfits together. We have the top.
Love
This
one
is the
now.
short she wants to do. It's our KonMari version of folding. So we go across. This has a little sleeve that goes down and across and down.
And
then
here is my
start from the
pen.
neck and roll it in about
And
thirds.
Here
and
are
then-
my favorite pants.
and those are her favorite pants. And then this just sits in her drawer, and we kind of do it as a filing system so she can find all of her
And
favorite
then
outfits.
this to show you. We're gonna
Yes.
fold this up in a different way.
Okay. And these are 2 shirts that we're
Mom.
gonna keep because they're family stuff related, but we can't show you the names on them. So those
Why
will stay.
can't we show them the names?
Well, we're just gonna keep it private, but we'll keep those in there. Okay.
And this is how I fold it.
And that's how you folded it. Okay, you want to put that in your drawer?
Wrap it.
And I see one more blue shirt.
Ah, they're still out.
Oh dear. And how about this little green shirt?
Yes.
That's a cute little top.
And
Keep
that's what
that.
was gonna go with
With these pants?
no.
No? Something
What's
else?
those green pants?
Oh, the green pants that we put. Did we put those in here? Oh, here. No, this is another green shirt. So we have orange pants
Yeah.
and 2 green shirts.
Yeah.
And they're both kind of the same, it looks
Oh.
like.
Hey, Mom.
So I think these are, yep, these are 2 of the same top.
Let's give this
So,
one away.
I think that's a good idea. I'm going to double check the size. If they're both the same size. Ah, this is a size 6. So let's give that one to your cousin who's a little bit larger size than you are. And we'll keep the smaller
What's
size
in
one.
Jovo?
Well, I think they came from Jovi. So this one I think would be good for Celia.
Oh, but
Anyway.
I want to keep that one.
No, this is the one we're keeping. I'm saying the one that was too big would be good for Celia. Okay, that's it. We got everything in your drawer. All right.
Well, what's me?
And then this little, I don't know if you guys can see, but we have a little old shoebox in here, and that has all of her, can you see it? All of her dance supplies in there for dance class. And those are kind of the extra ones. Now here's an undershirt, and it's a 2T. Do you need to keep this one? I think we have some larger undershirts that by the time we get to the winter months would fit better. So let's give that one away.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was going to say.
We're going to say the same thing. Okay. So let's wrap up our video. We're about done. We have 36 seconds left. Can you turn around so they can see your face? All right. So that was our little decluttering project today. We're getting started. Today is Monday, and we're getting started with zone. We're going to do probably one day of zone 1. We're currently doing laundry and working on our weekly home blessings. So I have our sheets going in the dryer for the bed. If you followed along, then you know I do our trash on Sunday because it gets picked up Monday morning. Our sheets get washed on Monday, and then usually Tuesday is the day I focus on bathrooms, there it is, and towels and rugs. And then the rest of the laundry, we just keep going one load a day as we go through the week. And floors for the bedrooms and bathrooms get done on Tuesday when I do the towels and rugs, and I try to keep up with the kitchen a couple days a week as needed. Sometimes it's once a week, sometimes I don't get to it at all, but the goal is always a couple times a week. So that's how we accomplish our weekly home blessings if you follow the FlyLady. And with that, I think we're going to wrap it up. So let me know in the comments below how you do decluttering with your children if you've tried doing something like this. Definitely, I think about a 10-minute time frame is about the most we can handle at around age 5, and at least it's better than it was, and we've gotten some more room in her drawer. So we're going to put this back in the dresser there and move on with our day. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Can you tell them bye-bye? I see that. Can you tell them bye-bye? Oh, my goodness. Excuse you.